Hi guys, today we're going to be doing another Squishy Sunday. It is Sunday night, it's quite late, but we're still going to do it. Because we've not done it for a while. So the last one you saw was the Squishy, of her emoji Squishy. This is just a pillow. But now, I got some actual Squishies today. Well, one yesterday, one today. Here I have this cupcake. It's super cute. The big button. We forgot to bring the tripod, but we're going home today. Tomorrow, I mean. We'll probably make a video of that or something. It's super slow ride. It's super soft. And today, that's a strawberry cupcake. Focus on the strawberry cupcake. There you go. There's Daddy.
Hello.
Do you want to talk to them a bit?
Hello, how is everyone? I'm eating crisps, sorry.
You're eating crisps. That's all they've ever done is every night. They've eaten crisps. What do you think about the cupcake?
Nice. I think it's very good, but it smells horribly. If you had smelly vision, you would agree with me, watchers.
But Daddy, we really could have asked them if we had brought the cupcake to the bath bomb making to put some cupcake scent on it.
Oh yeah, I could have.
Yeah, we made bath bombs today. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, where's the bath bomb?
Up on there.
Okay. I'm gonna go and find my bath bomb. It's an egg, an Easter egg, and it smells of cupcakes in it. Yeah. Wait, I went to potty painting today, and Daddy broke one of them.
And I still feel very bad.
And it was a cast on. Then here's my lighthouse key. Okay. I'm gonna set you on a Sprite bottle, on a water bottle, while I get out my Easter egg. That's it's kind of falling apart a bit, but probably because it's been battered around. Right, here you go. Here's the cupcake smell Easter egg. Smell that. Smell the sweet cupcake.
Yeah. Smells lovely.
We're going to put some of this on the cupcake. No, we're not. That's weird. And sit here, and then this is some of the excess that's come off. It's a bus bomb that I made. Alright. We went swimming today. Not with that dolphin. Stupid dolphin. Right, here's some of our tickets. I need to show you.
I was going to try and put them into somewhere.
I need to show you. Look at all our tickets. We've got over 1,000
How many you got here?
tickets.
How many you got here?
Count them. We have all of these tickets. Here we have all of these tickets. This has been over the weekend literally, and we have more than 1,000 tickets. Tomorrow we might make a video in the arcade. We're probably going to play Quick Drop and Pink Panther and a Pirate Wheel. And we might try Keymaster. Never know. And we might... I think we're going to... do... I can't remember what it's called. Oh yeah, the one where it has Turbo Tickets. It's really good. The highest is one in it is 30, literally, and the lowest is 20. And the top jackpot is 500. Sorry. And we have a Rips ticket. Yeah, and there's another Rips ticket. Anyway, back to Squishy Sunday. And the last one we have is a strawberry.
Thank you.
And I bought 2 Squishies. I'm probably going to buy one again tomorrow. And I'll show you next week's Squishy Sunday. Like, let's see how squishy. I've eaten it. I'm only joking if I can. And here's some more tickets. I know we've got over 100,000. I know we've got over 1,000 tickets. When we last counted them, we had 983. A lot of tickets. And we've been to the arcade twice today.
And we won about another 170 on the Quick Drop.
Yes. We love Quick Draw.
I got 90 and I think you got 80, did you?
Oh,
Or
Quick Draw.
70.
What the? How can you get 70? What are you talking about?
On Quick Drop tickets, I got 90 tickets and you got about another 70, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. He was 2 off from getting the jackpot. Literally, 2 balls off from the jackpot.
48 out of 50. So annoying.
Oh no. Oh, he got 50 tickets for 50 out of 1,000 tickets. Literally. It was horrible. And we've seen some other people do it, and they did it really weirdly. Like, after we played it one time, and this boy came, and he was dropping 1 ball at a time. It was so weird. Pardon you, Dad.
Pardon me, Daddy.
So yeah, here we have this cupcake and this rubber. So I'll see you next week for Squishy Sunday. If not before that, bye.